Hey everyone, have you noticed how fast our world is changing? A huge part of that is artificial intelligence, and it's happening right now. It's not science fiction anymore. AI is quietly reshaping our lives in some truly incredible ways. Think about healthcare, where AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately. In education, it's creating personalized learning paths so every student can shine at their own pace. It's even helping us tackle climate change by optimizing energy use and protecting endangered species. Of course, this rapid change brings big questions. Jobs are evolving, and we need to think about new skills. We also have to tackle important ethical challenges like data privacy and making sure AI is used responsibly. But here's the most exciting part. The future isn't about humans versus machines, it's about collaboration. AI is a tool that can augment our own creativity and intelligence, helping us solve some of the world's biggest problems. It's a future where we work together with technology to build a better, brighter world for everyone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.